Oh, here we are, Cliff Head. Doesn't look that bog. But yeah, I was a bit too game with this track at full pressure. Thanks, Kim.
We were stuck in the mini hole. Now the other people are stuck, but then they figured a way out. The beach.
I'm trying to get out of the wind. My mic's still not working very well. We're at Cliff Head campgrounds, about 3.5 hours north of Perth. $20 a night. We're just here for the night. We are at Cliff Head North. We've got a nice little spot to be able to hook up. Who's gonna get? Who's it? Ready now? I'm certainly it.
Go, Charlie, get up! Oh. Are you it? I'm it.
Alright, Charlotte, can you get your...
Get your gecko?
And tell me about it?
I caught it.
Here we are. We are with Charlotte and her animals.
Yeah, I found a gecko.
Let me
a
see.
baby gecko.
Oh wow, look how dirty you are. This
It's
is...
like a jatsu.
He's pretty cool. He comes out at night time, doesn't he?
I found it.
Good. Oh, look. Let me see your hands and arms. Wow. You're committed. Wow. What are you gonna call him?
Fred.
Fred the gecko. Well, it was very nice to meet you, Fred. Are you gonna go let him go?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go try and find some crabs.
Remember that time I didn't know what you were saying?
Time to try and find some sand crabs.
Why is he not moving?
Few bugs.
Yeah.
There we go. I think he's pretending to be dead and go away, Mum.
Sand crab mission achieved. Who caught him, Charlotte?
Daddy!
Oh man, so many bugs. Good morning, welcome to 8 Feet Travels. If you're new here, I'm Adam. This is little Charlotte. Oh, not little anymore. She's 5. And we've got Jessy and Noah back in the van. We've had a lot of easterlies here in WA at the moment, so there's a fair few flies around and bees. So if you're coming here at the moment, just be careful of leaving water out. But we just didn't leave any water out and didn't bother us. Let's fly the drone. Look at this beautiful sunrise. making all that mess? Noah, there's more in there. There's more in there.
Yummy.
Noah definitely doesn't want to miss out on anything at the moment. Look at this. Noah, come over here, let's play. Who else has travelled with a 1-year-old?
Get some plates out for you.
Charlotte, what do you got? Day 2, bugs with Charlotte. What do we got today?
I don't know.
Let me see. Whoa. I would say this guy
Is
Be angry.
is some type of hornet.
How did she get him in there?
he does call in.
Nah, Lucas caught him.
No.
You gotta kiss him and say goodbye, fishy.
Ew.
Say
Here you go, Lucas.
you
Gotta
say-
hold it up to the camera.
and say yibbida yibbida.
Alright, hold him up.
Bye
Say
bye.
yibbida yibbida.
Good job,
Put
Lucas.
him back in.
Throw him away. Oh, good job. See ya, fishy.
Well done, Luke.
Hey, that's a high five. Whoa. Oh, the cheese sausages. G'day, we're back on the road, heading back home today. We're on the Indian Ocean Drive at the moment. So, Cliff Head is just at the end of Indian Ocean Drive, just before you hit the Brand. The closest town would probably either Dongara to the north or Lehman to the south. Yeah, great spot. We're definitely going to go back there. I'd love to spend a couple of days. For us, it looked like if you want some shade and it might be a bit windy, the south Cliff Head spots, there's a bit more space, a bit more shade there, but they're not right on the beach. If the weather is looking tip top and no breeze, the north side has spots right on the beach. There's probably like 3 or 4, 5 spots right on the beach. Otherwise you can just go back one and they're right there.
Charlotte.
Thanks. Cheese and onion chips, gotta be the best. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Yeah, there are bees, just, you know, be careful with your water. I actually put a plug on my grey water tank, which I do that anyway when I'm travelling, just so like grey water's not like going over car parks and stuff if we pull up in towns. I'm actually thinking about increasing my grey water pipe, to like a 90mm pipe, so that actually store a little bit more when I'm in different areas. And we'll see you next time. Cheers. You want to say bye, Charlotte?